waiting for Chandni. Hi, how
Hi,
are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all good. So, shall we start with the question?
Yes, yes, let's start.
Okay. So, the first question for you is, how did you get into acting?
Mm, I always wanted to be an actor since childhood. Yeah, that's as soon as I finished my engineering, I came to Mumbai the very next day. Like, I didn't even wait for my results. I came to Mumbai the very next day, and then I started with pageants. I participated in like one national pageant. I won it. Then I represented India internationally in at two international platforms. After winning that, I thought of coming to acting
Okay. So, why did you wanted to become an actor and a model?
because I wanted to be an actor since childhood. It was my dream. Since I ever remember, I always wanted to be an actor, and like I like everything related to glamour, whether it's fashion, clothes, ramp, uh, still shoots, video shoots, anything. So acting and modeling is the perfect field for it.
Yes. So, what did you wanted to become when you were a kid? Like, you have answered this question, you wanted to become
Yeah,
an
yeah,
actor.
it's getting very
Where
repetitive.
did you grow up?
Sorry.
Where did you grow up? Like, in childhood?
No, so my initial schooling and my childhood was spent in Himachal, Sundarnagar, and then after that I came to Chandigarh for my further studies and for my engineering.
Okay. So, what is your favorite food?
Food. I'm a very foodie person, so I like to try different cuisines, and my favorite is of course Indian and Thai. I love Thai food.
Okay. So, what was your family's reaction when they saw you for the first time on screen?
On screen they were like so mentally they were somehow already prepared because as I told you I always wanted to be an actor, uh so when for the first time they saw me on TV, they thought it took some time but it was worth it, so they were really happy and proud.
Yes. So your favorite actor and actress?
um I love Shah Rukh. I'm a huge Shah Rukh fan, and I'm biased for Kangana. I love her.
Okay. Your favorite movie?
My favorite movie. Mm, I like Tamasha. I know it's not favorite of many, but I love Tamasha.
I don't even know which movie is this.
It's Imtiaz Ali's movie, Deepika Padukone and Ranbir Kapoor. Most of the people didn't get it, but I loved how emotions were shown in that, and I think you must watch now with this perception that it's a good movie.
I'll obviously watch. Then, what is your favorite song? Current favorite?
Current favorite, दम लगा के हमेशा मुंह मुंह के धागे.
Okay. So, can you sing a song right now?
No,
Like
no,
there are many people who are.
no. I cannot. I'm a very bad singer. Trust me. All your followers will unfollow you after they hear me sing. Let's not do.
Okay. So, what is your favorite color?
White.
And why is it your favorite?
Um, it's very soothing, and you can never go wrong with white. Whether you want to dress up casually or you want to go to some party, and otherwise also like in other things, I like uh, even like I like my walls to be white. I like my house to be white and minimal. So yeah, I like it's minimal yet it's classy and stylish. So yeah.
Like everyone likes white walls in their homes. Like it's really very
No,
classy
some
and
people
nice.
gaudy wallpapers and all, but I think white soothes me and it's very peaceful around white. Yeah.
So, do you play any sport?
No, I don't. I'm not a sport.
Okay. Yes. So, what was your first job?
First job, modeling. Yeah.
You didn't did anything in engineering, like
No.
some
I told you I never took up the job.
that.
I didn't even wait for my results. Like after
Oh,
completing engineering, I straight away came to Mumbai.
like you were very much passionate about your acting and all.
Yeah, but my parents wanted me to study, so for them I did engineering and then I came.
Okay. So, do you watch cartoons?
Not now. Not really, no. But I watch animated series, Cinderella and all. I watch that, but not on regular basis. It's not like I'm stuck to my TV at 6
Yes.
p.m. for Disney hour. That used to happen, but
Listen, is there someone with you in your room?
yeah, Haley is there and one more friend is
Oh,
there.
can you show her to me? Can you show her, please?
No, no,
I want to talk to her.
but yeah, she's doing her makeup right now, and she doesn't want to reveal the look. It's like, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So, what is your favorite cartoon? Like you said, you watch.
I used to watch. I really loved Aladdin, and Haley's making me laugh. I really loved Aladdin and the Little Mermaid.
Okay, I also love the Little Mermaid. I have also watched it.
Yeah, it was really cute. Especially her dress. She used to wear a bralette of seashells. I remember.
Yes, I saw
And with her red hair.
Mermaid tail also. It's very
Yeah, yeah.
What was the biggest challenge in taking up Ishani's role?
I was always quite comfortable doing it because it's very similar to me. Like her clothes and everything. It's very much what I am like. And otherwise, it's fun to play Ishani. I think she's a very complex character. She's very
Yes.
possessive for her brother. And yeah, so and but she has love and hate relationship with him and with the family. She's very selfish girl and all. So these things doesn't match my actual personality, real personality, but otherwise her love for makeup, clothes, and everything. So that's something very
The
similar.
dressing style is very unique. Like it's very amazing.
Yeah, yeah. And the credit goes to our stylist,
This-
Shivani Shali. She's really good at it.
So, any scene you struggle to do?
Mm. Yeah, they. No, that was the easiest, I think. But yeah, sometimes it's just not your day. So it's not about the particular scene. Sometimes the most difficult scenes you do it very easily, but sometimes the most easiest scene are the most complex ones, which you don't expect. It's about how your day is going. Sometimes it's just not your day. It doesn't come from inside, and I think that happens with everyone. Like there even where cricket is concerned, or sometimes it's just not your day. It doesn't mean you're not a good cricketer, you're not a good sports person, you're not a good performer. It's just not your day. So it keeps happening. Yeah.
So there was a scene like that in which Aryan bought you a teddy bear and you went inside the teddy bear. तो आप असली में teddy bear के अंदर गई थी या it was just a scene like that?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं टेडी बेयर के अंदर गई थी. So it was a huge teddy, बड़ा सा टेडी था, उससे अंदर से कॉटन निकाल दिया था. So I went inside. And
Okay.
yeah. But
So
it
your
was really
favorite
hot inside.
your
What?
favorite character? Favorite character in Ishme Majava?
Okay, other than Ishani?
Yeah.
Ishani.
Gangubai.
Gangubai?
Gangubai.
No. I think Ridhima.
Haley is sitting beside you. That's why you're saying Ridhima.
No, no, no. Of course, Ridhima. I mean,
Okay. Your favorite character?
yeah, that's the strongest character. Not the loudest one, but the strongest one. So yeah, Haley.
Oh.
Yeah.
So your favorite
What?
favorite co-actor? Like you're working.
Haley.
I'm so make it because Haley is sitting
I'm
beside you.
being paid for every time I see Haley. She's giving me 500 rupees. So Haley.
Okay. So what was the most funniest thing ever happened on set?
Haley, do you remember anything?
मुझे कल वाली बात
कौन सी? Tell me.
रोज होता है ऐसे कुछ
रोज होता है कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा कोई पर्टिकुलर ऐसा जोक नहीं क्रैक हुआ कि सब बहुत जोर जोर से हंसने लगे बट रोज कुछ ना कुछ होता है मतलब इट्स अ वेरी हैप्पी वाइब ऑन आवर सेट इट्स अ वेरी
Every
हैप्पी
day.
yeah.
So what was the most weirdest thing happened on set?
What is it? साथ वाले रूम में कौन रहते हैं? weirdest thing on set.
Yes.
तो हेली के ऊपर हमेशा पिजन पॉटी कर देता है. That's very true.
YouTube video, right?
हाँ,
On a YouTube
एक
video.
बार we just took the video one time, but it has happened earlier also. Like हेली pigeons somehow just love हेली. तो वो जहाँ भी खड़ी हो जाए उसके ऊपर पॉटी हो ही जाती है. That's very weird. और किसी के साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ है पूरे सेट पे. और जब भी ऐसा होता है तो दादी बोलती है शुभ हो गया, शुभ हो गया.
So what was the most memorable fan moment?
Fan moment. Yeah, I think what happens is ki when you are a model, no matter even if you have walked for best of the designers, people don't recognize you. You are not a household name. That's just in India. Otherwise, if you see international models like Kendall Jenner or Gigi or Bella Hadid, they are so famous and they have a huge fan following, but not in India. So until unless I did not do I had not done Ishq Mein Mar Jawan, people didn't know me. So I remember after like a month of doing the show, so I was jogging मेरे घर के नीचे और दो girls थी, young girls, they stopped me and they recognized me with a mask. तो मेरा मास्क था चेहरे पे and they said Chandni, and then they were really sweet to say they praised me a lot. और उसके बाद मैंने मास्क ऊपर कर दिया, पर आगे की जॉगिंग में रोते रोते ही कर रही थी. I mean, firsts are always special and it's a very small thing and I think कई लोगों के लिए बहुत छोटी बात होगी कि इतनी कर छोटी बात पे कौन रोता है, बट आई एम अ वेरी इमोशनल पर्सन. मुझे और फिर मैंने आके अपने एक्टर्स का हमारा जो ग्रुप है उसमें मैंने वॉइस नोट भी भेजा बिकॉज इट वाज वेरी इमोशनल फॉर मी. I lived for that moment and since childhood I have always dreamt of that thing. I have practiced autograph like since first grade, so yeah, I'm very funny that way.
Then you give me your autograph one day if we ever met. Like we obviously meet someday.
Yeah. Sure.
Don't forget to give me.
Pakka.
So did you had any awkward moment while shooting?
What moment? Sorry.
Awkward moment while shooting.
Yeah, I'm
Awkward
moment. Awkward moment.
I guess this was the awkward moment.
That's disturbing me. Awkward moment. I think so recently when we started doing the show for Voot, so that was the first time when romantic scenes started coming with Angre and our track like that. पहले मैंने कभी ऐसा किया ही नहीं है, मतलब कैमरा के सामने या कुछ ऐसा so it was a little awkward, but then Zen is very sweet and Zen is very sweet and so वो सब I was comfortable with him, but थोड़ा awkward होता है, मतलब in front of 50 people you are doing the loving scene. So yeah.
So how's the shooting of IMMJ going in Goa?
It's nice, it's fun, it feels like a picnic and everyone is so close. So that's the best part of our show कि the cast is so good कि किसी में भी ऐसे ego clashes और ये सब नहीं है. Everyone is so close to each other. Yeah, it's like a big family and we are having a good time in Goa, but at the same time we feel blessed कि ऐसी situation इस time current situation इतनी बुरी हालत है, in the world is facing such a huge pandemic situation and so we are also worried और हम news देखते हैं तो we talk about it even on at the dinner table. We discuss about this thing, but let's hope कि ये जल्दी end हो जाए and we get back to normal life and we come back to Mumbai and start shooting at our set. But otherwise Goa is fun. We are just shooting at one complex. We are taking all the precautions. We are not going out at all. We are not meeting any outsiders so that we are safe and yeah.
So is there any idea like कितने दिनों तक shooting चलेगी गोवा में?
शूटिंग क्या कुछ कह नहीं सकते हैं कितने दिनों तक चलेगी. अभी सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि we can't say anything. We cannot predict कि कल गवर्नमेंट क्या रूल्स निकालती है या क्या. We cannot predict anything.
So is there some major difference between the shooting in Mumbai and in Goa?
Not really. वहाँ हम एक सेट पे कर रहे थे, यहाँ हम एक होटल में कर रहे हैं. वहां भी हम लोग भी थे, हम आउटसाइडर्स को, क्योंकि जब से हमने शूट स्टार्ट किया है शो का, तब से ऑलमोस्ट तभी से ये सब होने लग गया, कोविड आ गया। तो अभी भी हम वैसे कर रहे हैं, हम एक होटल में शूट, इट्स ओनली अस, इट्स ओनली वी, दैट वी आर नॉट entertaining anyone from outside, so it feels like a set only, बस थोड़ा जगह चेंज हो गई है, but weather is same, so
If someone must be coming to meet you, your fans, so you're not meeting them at all.
no, we cannot, we don't want to spread it, we don't know ki you know, we
Who
should
is
be
positive and-
responsible enough, yeah, so yes.
Okay. So how is your bond with Lily and Rahul?
Haley and Rahul. Haley is my best friend here, and in very less time we became very close, and I think this friendship is gonna continue forever and ever. It's a very genuine relationship. Haley, शायद ये
Why?
relationship अभी बदलनी पड़े. और राहुल, Rahul is also very sweet. Rahul is very sweet, and he's like my elder brother.
Okay. So can you tell something about the new entry in IMMJ?
New entry in IMMJ. That's a surprise. You have to watch the show for it, and that's a surprise, and I'm sure you'll love it. She's a very sweet girl, and she's here to steal hearts.
So अभी मैंने दूसरे timing डाले थे, like 7 o'clock you're coming in live. There are many people who are getting very angry that इसमें मर्जावा का time है, इस time पे क्यों live रखा है and all. There are so many, like I got it, I was like, oh my god, what's this? Like I also, like I'll go after the live and watch the show. I was
But it's
wanted
not
to
good
watch it.
now, so कोई भी time पे देख सकते हैं.
Anytime, right?
Yeah.
So your reaction when you got to know that you are going to be a part of IMMJ?
I was excited. I was happy, and yeah, that's about it. But now I think I took the right decision at the right time, and I'm glad to be a part of Vishme Marjala.
Okay. So what was your reaction on the hashtag Ishangre and on whatever edits your fan made?
It's very sweet, yeah, very sweet gesture, and I'm really thankful to people who take out so much time and do the edits, and they are so sweet. It's really sweet of them, and I'll always be thankful for them for making Ishangre a favorite couple amongst the audience.
Yes. So what was your most embarrassing childhood memory?
There are many. अभी मुझे कुछ याद मैं घर से बहुत भागती थी. मैं ये अभी आज ही मैं बता रही थी सबको कि मुझे लगता था कि भाग के हीरोइन बनते हैं. पता नहीं मुझमें ये किसने डाला था. तो मैं थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में भाग गई थी घर से, बट मैं एक घंटे बाद मेरा भाई मुझे वापस ले आया था थप्पड़ मार मार के. और मैं 100 रुपीज लेके भागी थी. So I think, और जब मुझे मेरा भाई मार मार के ला रहा था तो सारे पड़ोसी देख रहे थे. I think that was the most embarrassing situation. मैं बिना हीरोइन बने काफी फेमस हो गई थी अपनी कॉलोनी में.
तो मतलब भागे क्यों थे? For going Mumbai or going somewhere?
मुंबई. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कैसे जाना है. How will I reach? I was in third standard, but ठीक है.
What's your most weirdest secret?
Do you think I'll tell it on a live chat?
No, I don't think you're going to tell. But do you have any?
Everyone has. I think if someone says, I don't have, he or she's lying. Everyone has a secret.
Yes. Okay, so there's one fun segment for you. That is, guess the Ishani Rai Singhania's dialogue from its English translation.
I have to do the Hindi translation of the English dialogue, or
English translation of Ishani Rai Singhania's dialogue, and you have to tell me the real original dialogue, like or the real Hindi dialogue.
Okay.
Do that? Okay. So the first one is, I can afford to do whatever I want, but you, even if you are sold, you cannot fulfill this law.
मैं अगर चाहूँ तो
जो चाहे अफोर्ड कर सकती
जो
हो.
चाहे अफोर्ड कर सकती हूँ, पर अगर तुम बिक भी जाओगी ना तो भी इस नुकसान को पूरा नहीं कर सकती. That's
So you
from the
remember
first
this?
episode. Yeah, from the first episode.
From-
जब वो
Yeah.
मेरी ड्रेस
Your-
खराब हो जाती है. Yeah, when I throw the champagne on. Yeah.
So the second one is, she doesn't have a status to join a relation with my brother.
उसकी औकात नहीं है कि मेरे भाई से रिश्ता रखे.
रिश्ता जोड़े.
हाँ.
Yes. So the third one is, I am damn sure that she herself must be feeling uncomfortable in these expensive designer clothes.
आई एम श्योर कि वो खुद अनकंफर्टेबल फील कर रही होगी इन महंगे डिजाइनर कपड़ों व्हेन शी वॉक्स डाउन द आइल और उसका संगीत होता है.
So the fourth one is, your surprise has gone in the buffoon. What are you doing? Just make me run away from here.
Yeah, sorry.
Your surprise has gone in the buffoon. What are you doing? Just make me run away from here.
ये कब बोला है मैंने? I don't know. Is this my dialogue?
आर्यन को बोला था शादी वाले टाइम पे जब वो टेडी लेके आया था. इससे ज्यादा मैं नहीं बताऊंगी.
पता नहीं. I don't remember this. This is so weird. Otherwise,
तुम्हारा सरप्राइज क्या बाहर में मैं क्या कर रहे हो तुम, भगाओ मुझे यहाँ से, ऐसी कुछ था.
पता नहीं. ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है.
जब वो टेडी लेके आया था आपने उसको बोला था कि तुम्हारा क्या सरप्राइज है, इफ यू रिमेम्बर.
नहीं, हाँ, इस सिचुएशन पे ये डायलॉग फिट उठता है, बट आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली कि मैं कहाँ खड़ी हुई थी. जैसे मुझे प्रीवियस डायलॉग याद था कि रिधिमा वाज वॉकिंग डाउन द आइल, ये वो. सो या, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर.
Okay, so the last one is, this is my brother's work. He has a habit of playing with such dangers. This danger is common.
ये भाई के लिए, भाई का काम है और मुझे पता है. आई डोंट नो, ये मैंने अभी बोला था जब
The recent dialogue.
ही बोला था और स्टडी रूम में बोला था. ये
Yes.
वो टेंशन में घूम रही होती है और मैं
हम है, इससे खतरों से खेलने की आदत है उन्हें.
हाँ.
ये खतरे आम. So we are done with all the questions.
Okay.
Thank you. If you forget anything in case.
Yeah.
So we are done.
Okay.
Shall we end this live? It was amazing talking to you.
Same
Very
here.
sweet.
Thank you, Mobby. Thank you so much.
One thing that you will be so sweet, but you know you're very sweet.
So sweet. Thank you so much यार. लास्ट में जाते जाते तुमने बजा दी.
Yes, like on screen Shani का जो character है, that is very much, you know, attitude वाला and all.
तभी I made sure that I sit without makeup. I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm not wearing my blue lenses to give you that feel. I wanted to be Chandni while I'm talking to you and the fans. So
Chandni is very sweet. Like Chandni is really very sweet. Like
I'm chilling in my pajamas and sitting in my room because I didn't want to dress up and, you know, sit for it. So, yeah.
Okay. So it was amazing talking to you. I would like to end this live now.
Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you for joining in live with me. Lots of love to you.
Thank you so much. Love to all. Bye-bye. And please take care.
Yes, surely.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.